Hi, Jerry James here, CEO of Vivacity, with our Chief Science Officer, Mike Marino. Would like to talk to you today about one of our other outstanding products, Recover. This product, Mike, I don't know what is causing it to be so effective, but we've currently got over 70 people off of Ambien and Lunesta. I use this product. I absolutely love it. Mike, can you explain a little bit about the product and why it works so well?
Absolutely. Over the past 20 years, I've been using the ingredients in Recover separately with my patients. But over the past couple of years using Recover, with the synergistic blend of ingredients at the potency and the effective levels, my patients have experienced not just great quality sleep, but the ability to detoxify, have great anti-aging properties, and to have true cellular recovery. That's why we named the product Recover. We also get a profound effect with detoxification and true REM sleep. Over the years, many of my patients have said that they sleep well, and I would ask them a simple question. Well, how much energy do you have the next day? And of course, most of them would say, I'm low on energy, I'm fatigued. And that really meant that they were not sleeping well. Their quality of sleep was poor. Chances are they didn't get into REM sleep. As long as they didn't have any other clinical entities that needed further medical investigation, then we would give them a week's worth of Recover. Sure enough, after a week, their ability to have true quality sleep and to have cellular restoration and that healing, especially at the mitochondrial level, well, it was a game changer. And from there, Recover became a staple in 80+% of my adult patient population. Even those in their 20s started to recognize that the light emitting diodes, the blue screens from technology, was keeping them awake at night or having the ability to not be able to sleep well. So the neurodegenerative effects on the brain started really in the early 20th decade. So today, with the onset of dementia, Alzheimer's becoming more progressed at earlier ages, the ability to recover and sleep at night and have that neuroprotective elements that are found in Recover is extremely important. People experience two different sleep issues. One is the ability to fall asleep quickly, and the other is to stay asleep during the night. Recover's ability to get you to sleep within the first 30 minutes is crucial, as well as the synergistic ingredients found in Recover to keep you asleep through the night. Besides the synergistic blend, the proprietary blend of ingredients that we have in Recover, we have a very unique delivery system that is not found on the market anywhere else. In fact, over the years in clinical practice using singular or even multiple ingredient products, I've never found a delivery system that allows for the ingredients in Recover to get into the cell as quickly at the high absorbable rate that Recover experiences. That is why we have one of the most profound, effective products on the market. Recover's unique ability and its delivery system, allowing for a high absorption into the cell to get to the mitochondrial level, my patients over the past few years, hundreds of them, have been able to get off of some of the more unhealthy habit-forming prescription nighttime products, as well as some of the other over-the-counter products that were just for sleep only. That synergistic blend to give them the recovery and the sleep, and especially to get into REM sleep to feel better than they've ever felt. Over the hundreds of patients that have used Recover in the past few years, they've all experienced wonderful quality sleep. Some of the happiest patients that I've had are the ones that finally were able to sleep through the night or to get to sleep when they had trouble falling asleep. One of my favorite stories was a 68-year-old lady who was just about out of Recover, and she was so happy getting off of 4 prescription medications because of it. She called the office and said, if I can't get some quick, Dr. Marino is going to have to come to my house and rock me to sleep. Sleep affects every tissue in our body. In fact, if you have poor sleep, it can lead to many of the chronic illnesses and diseases of today, whether it be heart disease, high blood pressure, cardiovascular disease, obesity, diabetes. In fact, one night's poor quality sleep can cause changes in neurotransmitters in the brain, in the hypothalamus, and those neurotransmitters are called ghrelin and leptin. As a practicing chiropractor for over 20 years, I've had the ability to truly change lives. And through lifestyle, nutrition, and supplements, I've discovered that coming from a functional standpoint, improving people's physiology and their health and optimizing it really caused them to have less pain and less other chronic health conditions. We get trained to do that as chiropractors, and medicine is coming on board more and more now with nutrition and supplements and really changing people's lives from a functional standpoint. For me to use these ingredients such as melatonin many, many years ago, even 20 years ago, melatonin came on the scene from Europe as really both an anti-aging ingredient as well as to help with chronic sleep deprivation and even jet lag. Over the years, I've never used more than 2 to 3 milligrams of melatonin. In fact, a recent study at MIT in 2001 states that 1 milligram is actually sufficient in the body to be able to get us into that REM sleep. And interesting note that Recover has 1 milligram of melatonin. Many of the over-the-counter products, sleep aid, usually include at least 3, 5, and sometimes up to 20 plus milligrams of melatonin, which is essentially too much for the body. It begins to take over the body's natural process. Instead of being aid, it's really more of a substitute. This essentially is a problem because our body's natural ability to produce melatonin becomes diminished or stops altogether. One of the ingredients in Recover is 5-HTP, or 5-hydroxytryptophan. Tryptophan is an essential amino acid that you get from food. Unfortunately, you can't eat enough tryptophan through food to be able to really help support what's already in the brain. Tryptophan helps us fall asleep easier. It helps us relax. It also boosts our levels of serotonin. And serotonin is the feel-good hormone, or what some people call the happy hormone. 5-HTP, as Recover is one of their main ingredients, essentially helps us get into that relaxed mode, improves our mood even for the next day, and gives us that long, sustained sleep through the night. Vivacity's Recover has the potency of ingredients from the highest quality sources and at the clinical efficacious levels of each ingredient, unlike some other supplements that have maybe 1 or 2 at the highest clinical levels, whereas Vivacity's Recover, every ingredient is at the appropriate levels. Also, each of the ingredients are all natural from the highest quality sources available. Vivacity's products are manufactured in an FDA-regulated lab. Let's talk about the other restorative ingredients in Vivacity's Recover, zeolite and collagen. Collagen is composed of glycine, which is an amino acid. It's key to the brain's health, and it plays a role in cognitive performance and function. It also gives sedative, more restful sleep state, and really can help with the fight or flight response, calming the brain and balancing mood. Most people know it for its effects in joint health, as well as even to line the intestine and improve intestinal performance, as well as skin, hair, and nails. The collagen Recover gives us that great anti-aging ability. Zeolite is a powerful antioxidant. It helps reduce oxidative stress at the mitochondrial level, and it's formed from volcanic ash. Its structure is that of a honeycomb or a sponge, which goes deep into the body's tissues, and it grabs toxins, poisonous chemicals, and some heavy metal, and allows it to be pulled out of the body and swept clean from the body without the effects of a detoxification or sometimes the illness that occurs from a detox. In fact, on zeolite alone, the research papers on my desk are over 4 inches thick. So nature essentially has a plan for us, and that's the raw ability to restore and recover. Vivacity's Recover and the ability to get true quality sleep, detoxification, cellular energy, and right to the mitochondrial level gives us the natural ability to heal, whether it be from illness, surgery, or just from our day-to-day routines. 2 of the other restorative ingredients in Vivacity's Recover include aloe vera and raspberry ketones. With stress leading to poor quality sleep, we have the tendency to choose unhealthy foods. We have cravings for unhealthy foods, which causes undesired weight gain or the inability to lose those extra pounds. Raspberry ketones in Vivacity's Recover at Night not only stimulates your metabolism, but keeps you from having those unwanted or undesired cravings for the very next day. Supplementing your body with Vivacity's Recover Nighttime Formula, both getting to sleep as well as staying to sleep, will really aid in the true cellular recovery, the restorative and healing properties of the body, and give us the greatest ability to optimize our health, our well-being, and our wellness.
Wonderful. So we got cell recovery with the product as well.
Yes, and the profound nature of people being able to get into REM sleep quickly and sleep through the night and get these people off the prescription medications has been really awesome.
Wow, I've had great results, been on the product for over a year and a half, and I love the product. We at Vivacity look forward to hearing how our products are impacting your life. Come visit us at vivacitygo.com. Thank you.